YouTube? You already know what it is. Let's get it in. I should work out on the basketball court, but I'm just gonna work out right here. Oh. So what's been going on with y'all? So as you know, I'm just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna do some squats. We're gonna do some lunges. And I forgot what these are called. I don't know if they're called standing up scrunches. Which basically, I'm just gonna go with that. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna do 2 sets of lunges, 10 each. If I decide 12, then I'll do 12. Let me go ahead and stretch first. Let me see. I can stretch on it now. So what's been going on with y'all? How's everybody doing? How's work? I know y'all don't know me, but y'all can still talk to me. Don't y'all talk to strangers when you're out in public? Anyways, so we're gonna start with squats first. This is not gonna be a long video, but this is just pretty much if you are on a health journey or you do want to get into working out. This is just to give you some really quick ideas. Like say you have a 30-minute lunch and you don't want to eat, you just want to work out. You know, you can go in the bathroom, find a private place for you to work out, or you could do it at your desk. Whatever you choose to do, you could do that. I'm just going to give you some ideas for you to do that. Some really easy ideas where you don't actually have to use these bars right here. Well, you can't see them, but either way, let's get to work. All right. So I guess this way. Yeah, this way. So we'll start with squats. 15. I'm gonna rest it out. Give myself 60 seconds. You can use this time to do whatever you will. Go get some water, whatever. I'm not even counting. So I don't even know how long I got, but we're gonna wing it. Whew. But I don't know, do you guys see progress from the last video? The crazy part is the last video I did, I started a little bit, like I'm gonna say 2 weeks after that, I started to like slack. But I've been working out every single day now for about a week now. And the thing is, my body will comply with me. I can get my body to wherever I want it to be. It's that eating that's gonna get you in trouble. Well, I'm gonna speak about me because I don't know y'all situation. Some people body don't automatically, comply. Mine does. Just gotta get down to eating. All right, let's get back. 15 more. See, 15 more. Oh. Whew. That was pretty good. Mm. Woo. That was pretty good. All right. So now, let me see. I did some legs, well, squats. Let's go ahead and this is one of my favorite workouts. It actually helps, even though genetics is the reason why I have the shape I have, and DNA, of course, from my mom. Sorry guys if I burped in your ear. That's so weird and rude. But yeah, so this one, I know it's like this ain't nothing, but it is something. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next side, remember to breathe. Always breathe. Tighten your stomach. Ooh. Remember to breathe. All right. Hold on. All right. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to probably do another round of those. But let's go ahead and get into the lunges. Get those over with. Remember, do how much works for you. I'm not one of those people that believes push yourself to the limit. No, if you feel like you need to rest, rest. Give your body some rest. Don't push it to the limit. Push it, but not to don't just what I mean. Give yourself some rest and then continue. But either way, I'm probably gonna do 10 to each leg. Of course, after I end this video, I will continue to work out, but I'm just giving you guys some ideas. So let me do these lunges for you. All right. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, that was good. That was really good. Ooh, all right. So now that we did squats, lunges, we did these. All right. And I forgot what these called. I'm gonna get the name of those so that I can properly, describe these workouts. But anyway, I'm gonna do some of these, which is one of my favorite as well. I'm a little bit unstable right here, so I'm gonna just get stable. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo! I like to feel my workouts to know that I'm doing the right thing. We're gonna do 12 more, and then just 12 more. And if I come up with something else, I'll just go ahead and add it in the video. But if not, then I'll end it here, and then go on with my walk, and then I'll probably see you all in the next video. Let's continue. Wait, let me see. I gotta get stable right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Some guys over there yelling. I don't know what they got going on. Child, I don't know. But either way, Those are some workouts that you all can do just to keep yourself fit. You only got 30 minutes, hit some of those. Every single day, if you do that, you will see progress. I strongly recommend cardio. My choice of cardio is walking and running. Um, when I do go to the gym, I do the treadmill and then the bikes because I love working on my legs and I love cardio. Like I like to feel like I did something. I don't know how long I got on this phone, but oh my God. Oh, I thought it wasn't recording. But either way, I'll give you guys a shot because you guys like to see results, don't you? I don't know exactly how this looks here, but if you look at my last video and you look at me now, you'll see the work that's been put in. Hold on, let me do it this way. You see I had a little pudge in the other video. And I'm, every day just being consistent, really. Stop eating after a certain time. Um, if you do want to lose weight quickly, what I would suggest, um, check your calorie intake, cardio, and then stop eating after 9 o'clock p.m. Eat you a good big breakfast. That's okay. You can go jogging in the afternoon. Like after you eat your breakfast, it settles down. And then eat you something like medium size for lunch, like maybe a sandwich, some fruit, some vegetable chips with the sandwich, an apple or whatever. And then for for dinner, you can have dinner at 8 or 7 o'clock. Have you a good dinner, like, and if you stop, even if you have you a big dinner, if you stop eating at 9, that'll give your body time to digest. So by the time you wake up in the morning to eat breakfast, you're good. I guarantee you, if you stop eating at 9 o'clock, give yourself a month, you're gonna see that tummy go flat no matter what you do before 9 o'clock. Oops, I don't know if you see me spit a little bit, sorry. But either way, if you stop eating before 9 o'clock, and no matter what you do before 9, if you work out every day, stop eating at 9, I guarantee you, you have no choice but to see results. You have absolutely no choice. Either way, guys, keep getting it in, keep pushing yourselves. Um, I do have a phrase that I say, and I completely forgot it. And if I'm not mistaken, it was, "Welcome to Kayla's channel, where you will have to move your feet." Wait, what was, I completely forgot what it was, guys. I completely forgot. I gotta come up with it again. But either way, I don't want to waste your time. Enough talking. You guys enjoy your Sunday. Bye.